back, children. Today we'll continue with Chapter 3, Part 5 Factors and Multiples. In today's video, we'll discuss about highest common factor or HCF. Now we will see two methods of doing HCF. The first method is by finding out common factor and the second method is short division method. What is HCF? HCF of two or more numbers is the greatest number that can exactly divide each one of the numbers. It is also called as greatest common divisor or greatest common factor. Now, first of all, you should know what is common factor. When two numbers share a factor, that factor is called a common factor. Now, here is an example you can see. Now see here, factors of 8 are, now the numbers, these are the factors of 8 because in all these numbers table, the number 8 will come. 1 8s are 8, 2 4s are 8, 4 2s are 8 and 8 1s are also 8. So the factors of 8 are 1, 2, 4 and 8. Similarly, now factors of 12. Factors of 12, these are the numbers in whose table the number 12 comes. So 1 12s are 12, 2 6s are 12, 3 4s are 12, 4 3s are 12, 6 2s are 12 and 12 1s are 12. So the factors of 12 are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 and 12. Now you can see here the common factors are 1 is the common factor, 2 is the common factor and 3 is not here. 4 is both in 8 and 12. 4 is the common factor and none other number are the common factors. The common factors of 8 and 12 are 1, 2 and 4. Now you can see what is the highest of all these common factors or the greatest common factor is the largest factor shared by two or more numbers. That is the greatest factor here is you can see 4. So the greatest common factor of 8 and 12 is 4. Let us see one more example. Highest common factor of 20 and 24. Now what are the factors of 20? The factors of 20 are 1, 2, 4, 5, 10 and 20. Because in all these numbers table the number 20 will come. 1 20s are 20, 2 10s are 20, 4 5s are 20, 5 4s are 20, 10 2s are 20 and 21s are 20. And the factors of 24 are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, 12 and 24. Now you can see the common factors are 1, 2 and 4. See here 1 to 4 is there. Here also 1 to 4 is there and no other numbers are common. So 1, 2 and 4 are the common factors. And the highest of all these common factor is 4. So the HCF is 4. So the highest common factor of 20 and 24 is 4. Another example, factors, highest common factor of 12 and 16. Now let us see what are the factors of 12. The factors of 12 are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 and 12. And factors of 16 are 1, 2, 4, 8 and 16. Now you can see by arrow it is shown the common factor. Here 1 and 1 both are common, 2 and 2 common and 3 is not here, 3 is not common, 4 is common and none other numbers are common. So the common factors are 1, 2 and 4 and the highest of these common factor is 4. So 4 is the greatest common factor or the highest common factor of 12 and 16. How to find highest common factor by short division method. Now what are the steps to follow? Draw a table as shown. That means you have to arrange the given numbers in a horizontal manner like this. You can just arrange the number. You can also put comma in between 12, 36 and 48. Now divide the numbers with their common factor. You have to start dividing these three numbers with their common factor. You start with the smallest common factor. Now what is the smallest common factor of these three number which will divide these three number? That is 2. So you start dividing with 2. Now divide till the given numbers have no common factors. You keep dividing till the numbers doesn't have any common factor. And finally multiply the common factors on the left hand side of the table to find the HCF. Now at last you will multiply these common factors to get the HCF. Now the example here, let us do 12, 36 and 48. So start dividing with the smallest common factor. The smallest common factor of 12, 36 and 48. You can see here the ones place is 2, the ones place is 6 in 36 and ones place is 8 in 48. So all these three numbers are divisible by 2. So start dividing by 2. 2 6 are 12. Now you can see 2 18 times will be 36. If you divide 36 by 2, you will get 18. So 224 times is 48. If you divide 48 by 2, you will get 24. Now again you can see these three numbers are divisible by 2. 6 is also divisible by 2, 18 is also divisible by 2 and 24 also is divisible by 2. So again you will divide these three numbers by 2. 2 threes are 6, 2 nines are 18 and 2 twelves are 24. Now these three numbers you can see are not divisible. All three numbers are not divisible by 2. These two numbers are divisible by 3 and this is divisible by 2. Now any number which is divisible by which can divide all three numbers? Yes, 3 can divide 3, 9 and 12. So you will start dividing by 3 because 3 is the number which will divide all these three numbers exactly. So 3 ones are 3, 3 threes are 9 and 3 fours are 12. Now here you see you get three numbers 1, 3 and 4 which is not divisible by any common number. Right? Other than 1 it is not divisible by any common number. So you stop here. So now the HCF will be the product of the numbers on the left hand side which you have got. So the HCF will be 2 into 2 into 3. The product is 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12. So the HCF of 12, 36 and 48 is 12. One more example by short division method. Now the example is you have to find the HCF of 45 and 135. Now you can see here 45 and 135 which is the smallest number which is the smallest common factor which will divide 45 and 135. 2 will not divide because one's place you can see here is 5. Now let us move to 3. Is 3 dividing? Yes, 5 plus 4 is 9 and 5 plus 3, 8 and plus 1, 9. So yes, both the numbers are divisible by 3. So we will start dividing by 3. 3 ones are 3 and 1 5 15 it will become. So 3 5s are 15. So 3 15 times is 45. And 3 4s are 12 and 1 5 15. 3 5s are 15. So 3 45 times is 135. So if you divide 45 by 3, you get 15. If you divide 135 by 3, you can divide and see, you will get 45. Now again, you can see here, 15 is divisible by 3. 15 comes in 3's table. And 45 is also divisible by 3. Just now we have seen. that 3 15s are 45. So 3 5s are 15 and 3 15 times is 45. Now again you get two numbers. Now you can see this is divisible by 3 but this is not divisible. Is there any number which divides both the number? Yes, the number is 5. So we will divide by 5. 5 ones are 5, 5 threes are 15. Now is there any number which divides? There are two numbers divisible. One is divided by 1 and 3 is divided by 3. So you stop here. Now what is the HCF? HCF is the product of these numbers on the left hand side. So HCF is 3 into 3 into 5. So 3 threes are 9, 9 fives are 45. So the HCF of 45 and 135 is 45. One more example. Highest common factor of 60 and 72. Now again let us see. Now 60, 72 you can see here 0 in one's place, 2 in one's place. What is the smallest number that will divide 60 and 72? 2. So we will start dividing by 2. 2 30 times is 60 and 2 36 times is 72. That is if you divide 60 by 2 you will get 30 and if you divide 72 by 2 you will get 36. Now again you can see 0 and 6 in one's place. Again it is divisible by 2. So you will keep dividing with the smallest number till it is divisible. So you will start again divide by 2. So 2 15 times is 30 and 2 18 times is 36. That means if you divide 30 by 2 you will get 15. If you divide 36 by 2 you will get 18. Now is there any number? Yes, the number is 3. Now 2, it is divisible by 2 but this is not divisible by 2. So next number which is divisible, the smallest number which can divide 15 and 18 is 3. 3 5s are 15 and 3 6s are 18. Now you can see these both numbers are divisible by different numbers. So you stop here. Right? So what is the HCF? The product of the numbers on the left hand side. So the common factors of 60 are as 60 and 72 are 2 into 2 into 3. So the HCF is the product of this, that is 2 into 2 4, 4 into 3 12. So the HCF of 60 and 72 is 12. Hope you have understood, children. Thank you.